Hi, I'm Cynthia, one of the estheticians here at Skincare at Fifth Avenue, and I am here today to talk to you guys about CoolSculpting. So CoolSculpting is the only FDA-approved treatment on the market that actually reduces volume in an area by eliminating fat cells through cryolipolysis, which is just freezing of fat cells. I have Dr. Joe here with us today. We're going to do a full assessment like we would on our regular clients, and then get him hooked up to the machine so you guys can experience what CoolSculpting is all about. So Dr. Joe is here with us today. He has actually already had 2 rounds of CoolSculpting with our older applicators and still presents with just a little bit of volume. He is active and eats very well, which is a plus. We are focusing primarily down on the lower abdomen, flanks, and then also back flanks. So since he's already done quite a few treatments, we are going to focus on using our petite applicator, which narrows in on these smaller pockets of fat. So I'm going to have him face me. So right now we are marking our areas of concern so that we know exactly where we want our applicators to be placed. Dr. Joe's peak of bulge presents right here and right here. So we're going to have a little bit of an overlap when we treat him. So as you can see, the applicator perfectly fits on this small pocket. So this is how we would treat Dr. Joe on his lower abdomen. Now we're going to move to the flanks. And again, we would use the petite to target these smaller pockets. So I'm going to have you rotate so you guys can see, focusing in on here, and then his back flank. So his volume presents more right here, and we're going to have a little bit of an overlap into that flank treatment right there. Perfect candidate for the petite applicator. Now that I've marked Dr. Joe, we are going to take an alcohol wipe and wipe the areas that we are treating. And this is just to make sure that all the debris, lotions, perfumes, everything is off the skin so it does not interfere with his treatment. We will then apply a gel pad that creates a barrier between him and the actual machine so that his skin is not harmed during this treatment. It is strictly going to target the fat that we are wanting it to touch. And then we will apply the applicator and get his treatment started. CoolSculpting treatments can be anywhere from 35 to 45 minutes depending on the applicator that we're using. Since we're doing the petite on him, it will be 35 minutes per application. Since we do have 2, we will be able to treat 2 areas at one time, knocking out 2 areas in 35 minutes. So we've already cleansed his skin with the alcohol wipe. Now we're going to apply the gel pad. The gel pad is a little sticky. It's composed of glycerin, so that's where that sugary substance comes from. So we're going to apply the gel pad to the treatment area. Make sure that it's fully covering the area that we are treating to protect that skin. So we're going to attach the applicator first. You ready? Now, as you can see, it's completely sucked in the volume that we're wanting to treat. Once I start the cooling, he will immediately feel the cold within about 30 seconds. That lasts for about 4 to 10 minutes, just depending on each person. After that starts to wear off, the area will go numb in the area that's being treated, and then he'll just hang out for 35 minutes and watch some TV. All right, so we have completed the 35-minute treatments with Dr. Joe. How was it?
Oh, it was great.
Awesome. So now we are going to remove the applicator. Ready? Turn off our suction. And we're just going to do a 2-minute manual massage. This just helps break up those fat cells to get them moving and doing what we need them to do so that they can exit through that lymphatic drainage system. So what we'll do is now follow up with Dr. Joe in 90 days to get some follow-up photos, see how he's feeling with his treatments, and if he would like to move forward with more.